Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Top Technology Tips. It's me here. Today is August 2nd and we've got 5 awesome tips that are gonna make your devices work harder and smarter for you. So let's dive right in. Tip No. 1. Speaking of making your life easier, there's an awesome feature that you can use on your computer called voice typing. So instead of going to Tools, you can see voice typing here, or you can actually go down to Start and simply type in voice typing, and this will pop up. You can also just go to your settings, accessibility, keyboard, and then go to voice typing and enable this feature. This allows you to dictate into any text box or any Word document, so you can speak to send emails quicker or dictate notes much faster than you could normally type. And if you're on the go, you can even use voice typing on your mobile device. So if you're on Android or iOS, just open up the mobile version of Docs or even your native Notes app and you'll see the microphone icon on the top. Just tap that and you can start speaking to text and your phone will do the rest. Awesome for creating drafts on the fly or sending those quick emails without slowing down. Tip No. 2. You know those little sticky notes you might have on your monitor at home or in the office? Well, how about we take those digital and turn them into something stronger? The problem with sticky notes is they often in plain sight and can be easily seen by others. And also remembering where you put that particular note can be quite difficult too. Well, why not try using a password manager? Now, I know that sounds like overkill, but stick with me here. A password manager is great for securely storing small bits of sensitive info that you need to keep safe, but also need quick access to. So things like passwords, API keys, login credentials. These are all things that a password manager will securely store for you. Many password managers will also offer a free tier. So I recommend checking out some of the best ones, such as LastPass or Bitwarden. And if you're a fan of sticking notes on your monitor, most modern browsers will have a built-in password manager tool. For example, if you're a Google Chrome user, you can find this under your Chrome settings and scroll down to Passwords and you'll see the option to save passwords, credit cards, and other info right here. Tip No. 3. Are you tired of wasting time searching for the right information? Take your Google searches to the next level by learning how to use Google search operators. Search operators allow you to specify exactly what you want Google to return in your search results. By simply adding a few characters to your search queries, you can quickly narrow your focus and get straight to the info you need. Here are a few of our favorites. Site:/edu, for example, will limit your search to educational institutions only, so this is great for research. File type PDF will ensure that Google only shows PDF documents. And the minus keyword excludes specific words from your search results. To learn more about these and other search operators, head over to the blog post in the description below. Tip No. 4. Did you know that your smartphone can instantly translate text using your camera? It's true, and it's thanks to a powerful tool built into Google called Google Lens. Simply open the Google app or the Google Lens app. Point your phone at any text in a foreign language, and you'll see the translated text appear right before your eyes. This makes traveling or reading foreign language menus a breeze, but that's not all. Google Lens can also translate text from printed materials, such as books or magazines. Just open the app and tap the camera icon, and then select the text tool. Then just start highlighting the text you want to translate, and voila! It will be converted right on the spot. So whether you're traveling abroad or just exploring the world from the comfort of your own home, Google Lens is sure to come in handy. Tip No. 5. We've made it to our last tip for today, and it's a big one. It's a time saver that everyone should know about called Split Your Screen. You can do this on PC, Android, and even Mac, so let me show you how to do it on each operating system. On Windows 10, simply drag a window to the left or right side of the screen, and then click on Windows +T on Android, tap the Recent Apps button, and then select the app you want to split screen with. Finally, on Mac OS, click the green button on any window, then select Tile Window. So whether you're re-attending a webinar while taking notes or just trying to be more productive at work or at home, Split Screen is a useful tool to have in your arsenal. Well, that's it for today's August 2nd Tech Tips. Let's do a quick recap. First up, we have voice typing. So you can use your voice to type in any text field. Next, password manager. Try using a password manager to safely store small bits of sensitive information. Third, smarter search. Take your Google searches to the next level by using search operators. Fourth, we have Google Lens. Use your phone's camera to instantly translate text from another language. And finally, split your screen. Make multitasking easier by splitting your screen in half. So which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips every weekday. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, you can find me on social media. Stay awesome.